Hello, my name is Maya Miller. I'm a family support specialist in our Health Homes program for Say Yes Buffalo. I am based at School 45 and I provide care coordination services to families and children with mental, behavioral, and physical health diagnoses. Care coordination basically entails helping to connect families to providers in the community and to overcome any barriers that they may have to accessing adequate care, which could be transportation, financial barriers, access to food and other community resources. Another exciting partnership we have with Feed More Western New York is the Kids in the Kitchen program, where we have a nutritional educator come in and teach kids about healthy eating and teach them how to actually cook in the kitchen. So we have 5 sessions. Each week we focus on a different food group. We go through fruits, vegetables, proteins, grains, and dairy. And the kids, after making the food together, they get to take home a bag of all the ingredients and the recipes so they can make it at home with their families as well. One of the most impactful parts of this work is seeing the progress that kids and families make over the time that you're working with them. Not only with their physical health, but I've seen so many kids grow socially, behaviorally, inside of school and outside of school. So I would say that the Health Home program extends far beyond just physical health and really touches on all aspects of our youth's lives.